Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word handbag. It's an essential accessory for many, providing style and practicality. Let's get started. Meaning. A handbag is a noun that refers to a small or medium-sized bag, typically carried by a handle or straps, used by individuals, especially women, to carry personal items such as wallets, keys, makeup, and other daily essentials. Handbags come in various styles, shapes, and materials, and are both a fashion statement and a practical accessory. Pronunciation. Pronounce handbag as HD, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. She picked a stylish leather handbag to match her outfit for the evening. 2. Inside her handbag, she had everything she needed for a busy day at work. Synonyms. Synonyms for handbag include purse, tote, clutch, or satchel, depending on the style and size of the bag. Conclusion. Handbags are not just accessories. They are an essential part of many people's daily lives, combining fashion and functionality. Thanks for joining us, and may your handbag always carry what you need and reflect your personal style.